This is the Avantree Ensemble, wireless headphones for TV with a 2-in-1 charging base and Bluetooth transmitter. In this video, you will find these contents. First, we will go over the Ensemble's features, what you'll find in the box, setting up, connecting to your TV, adding a second pair of headphones, connecting to a smartphone or other Bluetooth device, charging, and the accessories and warranty of the Ensemble. Introducing the Avantree Ensemble. This Bluetooth 5.0 headphone set is designed to deliver high-quality sound from your TV in perfect sync, so you never miss a second of the action. This is the Ensemble's transmitter, which doubles as a charging base for the headphones. On the top is the multi-function button. Above that is the Bluetooth status and headphone charging indicator. Inside the left ear cup holder are the charging pins for the headphones. On the side is the power switch. On the back of the transmitter, you will find the DC in power port, the optical in port, and the aux in port. The Ensemble supports multiple audio formats and is plug-and-play. On the headphones, you will find the Bluetooth charging LED, the volume up and volume down buttons, the play and pause button, and the aux in port. Next to that are the mic, which is only used when the headphones are independently paired with another device, and the power switch for the headphones. On the other side are the charging ports. This is the micro USB charging port, and these are the charging contact points for use with the charging base. Here's what you'll find in the box. Inside the box, you will receive the transmitter charging base, the AS50 headphones, a micro USB power cable, an optical audio cable, a 3.5mm aux audio cable, and a 3.5 aux to RCA audio adapter. First, connect the base to a power source using the USB cable we provided. We recommend using a wall plug as a power source, so the headphones can stay charging even when the TV is off. Next, power on the headphones and the transmitter base by sliding the power switch on both to the on position. They'll automatically connect together, and the LEDs on both will turn solid blue. There are 3 ways to connect the Ensemble to your TV: optical, 3.5mm aux, and RCA. Check your TV's audio output port. Which one do you have? Please pick one, only one. If you have an optical out port on your device, this is the port that connects to your TV. Next, go to the sound settings menu on your TV. First, set the TV audio output to optical, and then change the audio format to PCM or stereo. If your TV is one of the following brands and you're having trouble setting the sound format on your TV to PCM, go to the Avantree website, where we have detailed steps for each TV brand. If you decide to go with aux, insert the aux cable into the aux port on the back, and make sure you set your device's audio output to headset. If you have a TV with red and white audio ports, and they are marked as audio out, please utilize the RCA adapter and auxiliary cable provided to connect the Ensemble. Insert the cable with the adapter into the aux port on the back. And please make sure that you select External Speaker in your sound settings menu. If you have a more complicated cable TV setup or are still having trouble, please consult our website FAQs for more step-by-step instructions. To add more headphones to the Ensemble, you can add any Bluetooth wireless headphones to the Ensemble, but we recommend using Avantree brand headphones to take advantage of the Ensemble's low latency feature. First, power on the headphones you'd like to add. Slide the power switch to the Bluetooth position and hold it there until the indicator starts flashing red and blue. Next, on the transmitter, set it to pairing mode by pressing and holding the multi-function button until the LED starts flashing red and blue. Once connected, both indicators will stop flashing and turn solid blue. If you are having trouble reconnecting your two pairs of headphones, please consult our website FAQ for more assistance. The headphones that come with the Ensemble set can be used independently with other Bluetooth devices, such as a smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Here's how to do so. First, turn off and unplug the transmitter dock. This is to prevent interference with the headphones. Next, turn on the headphones. They will automatically enter into Bluetooth pairing mode. Then, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device. Search for and select Avantree AS50 to connect. When using the Ensemble with other devices, there may be cases where the headphones have trouble connecting. If you need to clear the pairing history of the Ensemble, check out our website FAQ for more information. To charge the headphones, firmly hold both sides of the headphones. Please take care that the charging pins are properly aligned. The charging indicator will turn red while charging and turn green once charging is complete. The Ensemble features extended playtime, lasting up to 35 hours on a full charge. You can buy any accessories that you need on the Avantree website, including charging cables, audio cables, additional headphones, and more. All Avantree products have a 24-month warranty when purchased directly from Avantree.com. If you purchase through other channels such as Amazon, you can extend the warranty to 24 months by registering on our official website. Still not sure what to do? Click the link in the description below and visit our support site for more step-by-step instructions. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.